Hey, give me money, give me money. 红包拿来。Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan. I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. In this episode, we're going to learn how to say get rich soon. We have Josh Weinstein. Hi, Josh.
Hi, how are you?
Good, 你好.
你好.
Josh, you are very qualified to talk about this subject because I know you are a very accomplished entrepreneur, angel investor, and you are also a chess master. Right, to say get rich soon, really? Yeah, in China, especially during the New Year, we say 恭喜发财.
恭喜发财.
恭喜发财. And I bet most people have heard this term in the movies during the Chinese New Year or when you hang out with your friends. Instead of saying Happy New Year, 新年快乐, they often say 恭喜发财.
恭喜发财.
恭喜发财. And the literal meaning is basically congratulations and get rich soon. So it just explains the culture when people really consider getting rich is a very important achievement. 好，恭喜发财.
恭喜发财.
It's a way people say to each other, to wish each other having a good year, because I can imagine a lot of people, their New Year resolutions would be getting rich soon. And as a kid, we say 恭喜发财, and in return, we say 红包拿来. And that's a very fun, childish thing to say. 红包 is red envelope. 红包.
红包.
红 is red. 包 is the purse. Here we means envelope. Red envelope. 红包.
红包.
拿来. 拿来 is to give it to me. 拿 is to take. 来 is to come. So give me the red envelope. 红包拿来.
红包拿来.
Do you know what red envelope is?
I do.
Yeah, and there's something green inside called dollars. Right, 红包, it's a very, very common Chinese culture, and people give it in many occasions. For example, Chinese New Year, 红包.
红包.
红包. And then I remember when I was a kid, Chinese New Year was one of the best holidays because everyone, like my uncles, my aunts, my grandparents, my parents, everyone who was older than me, they gave me a red envelope with green dollars inside. And that was a very good way to get your annual, like, pocket money. 红包.
红包.
Yes. And at the same time, we also know that when my parents, they had birthday, we also give them 红包 and with some money as well. And also when people, they give birth to children, we put either gold or like gold bracelet, gold chain, gold necklace, or really just money. And people do check. No, they don't do check. They do cash. And also they tend not to put coins. They put notes. So 红包. And 红包is also quite a popular culture in business. In this case, it's a little bit negative. That means bribery.
Ah, interesting. That makes sense.
Yeah. And then, of course, bribery is not a good thing in any country. And Chinese government, they made it really clear that they will have very heavy penalty if people receive 红包 in business or at work. Right. So let's say 红包拿来.
红包拿来.
红包拿来. And that's as a child, we just made fun to say each other, hey, give me money, give me money. It's a bit rude.
Or funny.
Yeah, or funny. Yeah. So get rich soon. Get rich soon. 恭喜发财.
恭喜发财.
红包拿来. So let's practice. Hey, Josh, 恭喜发财.
恭喜发财.
Oh, you have to say 红包拿来.
红包拿来.
Yeah. And then now you say 恭喜发财.
恭喜发财.
红包拿来.
红包拿来.
红包拿来. Okay, thank you so much, Josh, and thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. We hope you enjoy this episode because we're all going to get rich very soon. 恭喜发财. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and share what you have learned. Until next time, 再见。
再见。